So today I'm going to do a relay. It's a 3x2 to a 4x4 relay and a square one and a pyraminx. I'm not including skill because I'm bad at it. Yes. So let's start off with the 2x2. Yes. And a smooth sequence of move and diminish both layers. Sequence move. Okay. 7 seconds for the 2x2. And you literally can see that I didn't plan my cross and the after average 20 seconds for a 3x3 and 5 seconds from a 2x2. My 2x2 time here is 7 seconds, so out of my expectations. And here the 3x3 is very bad. pyraminx. I finished one side. These are the edges. Yes. Here, finishing sets. Okay. Remember out. Yes. Thank you. 4x4. Yes. I average like a 2 minutes and I'm 4x4. Maybe sometimes if I'm lucky, I average 1 minute and 45 seconds. But in this off, you can see how terrible I perform. But I'm like, I don't know, scared, and you see my bad cross. Here I'm doing the cross. Yeah, hesitate a lot. I see a pair there, blue-red pair there, and I was going to preserve it, but I don't know how to do it. I just see my centers. And this is a really bad stuff for me because like I usually just do all the middles in like a merely like a 1 minute, and I messed up my middle and I forgot to put my cross back in. And I took a while to find a piece, and there's 2 of the bars solved, so it's easy work. And it's puzzled. I forgot how to do the 2-3-2 method, and I was like programming my brain to like think more about it. And look, I'm stopping here. Puzzled, and I did sledgehammer to insert it. This solve is really bad. And don't worry, I'm going to do another part episode and finish offing the part 4 with the 3x3 sage. Yeah, it's really bad. I didn't mean, but this performance is better than the 3x3. And here is the OL parody, and I forgot how to do a 4x4 parody, and one of the corner pieces popped off, and I was scared, I was fixing it, and thankfully there's no PR parody, but the PR parody was like more preferable for me because it's easy. And now square one, I finished off at a 3 minutes 30 seconds for all these. And how long would I just see it square one? I average 2 minutes 30 seconds in square one. And let's see. Good solution, and I'm lucky that it's a square now. It's like 25 seconds in the run, and I'm already in the square. And here I'm gonna change separate white and yellow pieces, and here rate it, yes, and then I'm remembering the alg for it, yes, thankfully. Okay, no parody for this solve, that's great. And I'm solving the adjacent swap for the white layer, then got the we solve 2 pieces at a time, the top and the bottom one. if there's people who don't know what is square one is basically a Rubik's cube, but it's more complicated. But complicated because it could shape shift and you could value sometimes. So I'm solving this. One last algorithm to solve it. Yes, and the equator is flipped, so I'm gonna do some